Hi guys, JanaFX is here, and in this video, a little bit of examples of my live trading, starting from the opening of this week and up to today, 21st of January, the end of the day. Okay, market is open now, so I have euro dollar. I'm going to move stop a little bit to have at least some profit to cover the commission I have in case it will decide to turn around. There is no gap, so just have a protection and leaving it up to EA. Now dollar yen are also no gaps, and I'm just going to place the order anyway. So here's my buy stop, and I'm gonna place it just a little bit above with the previous setups I have already. Not gonna use a stop, and lot size, take profit half positions, and I'm gonna change this move to break even and trailing stop in and trail in 10, and I have pending orders 20 pips away from the level. Okay, so this is disabled at this moment. It will be on a bit later. Australian dollar, I have order on and I can't move stop loss at this moment in safe position, so I'm just leaving it as it is for now. Dollar Canadian also opened without the gaps, and I'm just going to leave my orders for now, and think I'm gonna have just a buy order this moment just in case there will be jump at night, so I'm going to remove pending sell order. And pound dollar, I have little gap, so I probably will try to close it, and I have a sell order. If I wouldn't have sell order, I would just place a pending order sell, but I'm not going to do it at this moment. And pound yen also has a little small gap here, so it's going to probably close it. Maybe it will continue its way up, but I think I'm going to place a pending sell order anyway, because it's quite close to the level I have here. So, and I have setting up 0.10, closing half positions at 20, move stop loss. I think I'm going to have a little bit less just in case, and just leave it as this. Trading stop, maybe I'll make a little bit smaller, and entry point also at 25, because we have bigger spread, and I'm gonna also not use the stop loss. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it with the main pairs. US crude opened with a gap, as you can see here. So, and I have, there is nothing major happened, and it's not breaking the level, so I can presume that it can go and close the gap, and I have about 40 pips. So because it's in the area of, I have a support level here and resistance, and no, nothing's major. I'm going to place a sell order just slightly underneath where it's going now. So I have settings 0.1. I have take profit and stop losses, everything else. I'm not going to use a stop loss in this one also. I have about 20 something, 5 pips. So if it will start to turn around, so I'm expecting it will not break this level. That's why I'm not placing it lower. I presume it's not going to break it and going to turn around to close it and consolidate to sit in that area. So that's why from this level I'm expecting about 25 pips down to go into the trade. Okay, so right now it's going to have a bit of movements to see. I can just watch a little bit to see if it's actually going to break it or not, and I'm going to move it a little bit closer to the resistance level. Okay, so this is our resistance, and I'm going to see on a daily chart, you see, like checking out. So how far it's like it's been here. So it might still go a little bit higher, but anyway, that's the level. And if it will jump out, I can sit on top of it. But that's why I'm not going to sell straight away. I would wait for it to turn around and start it to go down. So now leaving it up to EA to catch the trade. Okay, and now I'm going to check on gold, and gold opened with no gap, so I'm just going to leave it and see, wait for a consolidation, because at this moment I have nothing, so just a waiting time for gold. Okay, and there are some news from Middle East, and that means that possibly the oil prices can go a little bit higher. I still have my sell order for possibly closing the gap, and I am going to place a buy order also at the same time, just slightly a little bit above the wing, just in case it will decide to continue the way up, because we are in uptrend channel, and this moment it might not consolidate in here before making either move either way. So that's why I'm going to have one sell order pending and pending order buy, and we'll see what's going to happen during the night and in the morning. So yeah, that's it for now. I have to go to sleep. It is a morning, so this is US crude oil. As you can see, is expected. Pair decided to close the gap. So now I can remove the levels and also the opposite order, and I can move the stop loss in a profitable position. So let's say I move it slightly behind the price and possibly wait for the price, either close it and continue all the way down to the level, and then we will see. I might just leave it as it is, because it could possibly try to break the level and go down, or maybe it will start to a bit of consolidation and turn around. So okay, so the other trades we had, let's check out the main pairs, which is euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar is closed. I have no running trade anymore, so it got me out of the trade during the night. Okay, so dollar yen, nothing happened. You see, that's my little consolidation channel, and I'm leaving the order buy. Okay, so Australian dollar moved, so now I can move the stop loss in a safe position. So you can see I'm moving just a little bit to cover the commission, and a little bit more than break even. So if it will turn around, I will walk away with a little profit, but we're going to wait for it possibly to continue the way down to the one of the levels. Dollar Canadian. Okay, so at this moment nothing's happening, so I can check out if maybe I can place the sell order, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Just leave it because it's Monday. And well, pretty much it. Gold has nothing, and pound yen didn't get me into the trade just yet. So you see it started to move down, and I'm just going to keep my order sell stop. See 25 pips below, it's going to be active, and we will see what's going to happen. So I should enter somewhere around here. It's Tuesday, and so euro dollar has a little bit of the channel. I'm going to place the orders both directions, just in case it's going to either return, go up, or will try to break and go down. So I have a small channel, just a little bit, make it a little bit smaller like that. So expectation is that it would sit in this area possibly. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen got me out of the previous trade. It has a nice channel jumped down a little bit, so for now I'm going to just remove sell buy order and just wait a little bit to see if pair possibly would go inside this area, and just as I had in the analysis weekly to see, and then I will be using these levels. I mean, quite possibly it could be head and shoulders, but still maybe go a little bit lower and then go something like that. So I'm gonna leave it for now. Australian dollar has no entry point, it's continued the way down. Dollar CAD had a move up a bit. I'm still keeping the buy pending order. And gold already had a move, so you see it was a little bit messy. So at night it went jumped up, had a small consolidation and jumped down. So I'm still waiting for consolidation around this level, so just wait maybe a little bit around here and then looking for placing orders. At this moment it just I wouldn't use it. Okay, and pound dollar is moving at this moment. Also there is no good entry point in here. And pound yen, well, I still have a sell order on the pound yen, a sell painting order, and possibly at this moment as it's moving, there are some news come out, and I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, a little bit later, checking out my trades, euro dollar, nothing's happening. I have orders, saving or triggered. Dollar yen, okay, so dollar yen started to move a little bit and not going inside the channel, so I think I'm just going to place a order buy again on top of previous channel. Australian dollar, okay, Australian dollar have nothing at this moment. Dollar CAD, so it didn't trigger the order, so jump down. I'm going to keep it for now before the end of the day. Gold, okay, missed an entry point, was away, didn't think it will like jump straight away, but that was the good entry point of the using the level. Would have, like I told you, done it earlier here, but it's had a small consolidation but then jumped down, so I'll just wait now for possible consolidation once again around this level, or maybe going down a bit more, but at this moment missed opportunity anyway. Euro pound is still just nothing good for me. Okay, pound dollar had a huge jump, and so it's back to one of my levels, and I'm just going to check out and to see if it's actually going to consolidate on top of that level. And I still have a bit of a time. It is about 5 o'clock our time, so it's possibly you see that people, it was on the news events, so I'm going to use this level just in case more people will start to close their positions and pound might drop, or of course it might just have a consolidation here and continue its way up, but I'm going to place the order here for now. So this is where my level is, and with the same settings. And pound, I also, you can see now I moved my sell order as it was here, it was not triggered, and so I'm going to move it and just leave it here, just in case if it decides the same to have a correction, and more people might would start to close on closing the positions at the end of the day, and it quite possibly can just continue inside the channel as it's been moving in, as you can see in this area. So that's it for now, just leaving it as it is until the end of the day. Then I probably just going to cancel, well, except pound yen I might just leave it on for the night because it's yen and can have movements at night, but this one just leaving the trades as it is, the levels. Okay, I'm gonna leave euro dollar trades, but I'm going to change it to for tomorrow and in the morning. So let's say we're going to go for about 9 o'clock in the morning roughly. So it's not going to be active for the night because you never know what can happen at night, and I'm going to have it in case I will not be able to get up so early. So we'll leave it starting triggering around 9 o'clock, which is about 5, maybe 5 o'clock in the morning GMT roughly. Okay, so I'm just leaving it as it is. And okay, dollar yen you see started to move down in the designated area. So at this moment I'm just going to remove it because it's no need, just in case also any jumps back, and tomorrow I'm going to check if it's going to stick in this area. Maybe it will go down back to possible this area. So not doing anything at this moment. Australian dollar is continuing down, nothing. Dollar Canadian I'm going to also remove, okay, for the night, because no need, like nothing. And we have pound dollar also. I'm going to just leave it as it is. No, I think I'm just going to remove it just in case, and wait for a possible, it will create some pattern in here, maybe a little bit of triangle, maybe it will go back to this level. And I have still pound yen running, and it's still, I have 18 pips down to close half positions, but it didn't move it enough and might have a return. So that's why I'm going to protect myself manually. See, I'm going to move the stop into safe position. So about around this is like, if it will turn around, I have profit which will cover in case my commissions. I have a commission on this account, so, and to cover it, I'm going to leave it with a little bit. So, and of course, if it will continue way down, then EA should pick up. And well, that's it for now.